Glass container used in pharmaceutical preparation are intended to come in direct contact with pharmaceutical product. Glass containers shall have a proper closure system. The container are designed in a manner that the removal of content is hassle-free and it's appropriate to the intended use of preparation. Glass containers provide a variety of degree of protection depending on the nature of product and hazards of the environment and minimize the loss of constituents. The glass container used for pharmaceutical packing shall not directly interact physically or chemically with the content in a way that it impact the quality of the drug product. Various type of glass used for pharmaceutical packaging as per USP are as follows. Type 1 borosilicate glass. Borosilicate glass has high melting point, so it can withstand high temperature, has high hydrolytic resistance, is resistant to chemical substance, provide reduced leaching action and can withstand sterilization. Type 1 borosilicate glass is used for laboratory glass apparatus, water for injection and for parenteral and non-parenteral use. Type 2 treated soda lime glass is fairly resistant to attack by water for a period of time. Sulfur treatment neutralizes the alkaline oxide on the surface, thereby rendering the glass more chemically resistant. It has a high hydrolytic resistance. Type 2 treated soda lime glass is used for alkali sensitive product, infusion fluid, blood and plasma and large volume in containers. Type 3 regular soda lime glass container has high concentration of alkaline oxide and impart alkalinity to aqueous substance, flax easily and may crack due to sudden change of temperature. It has a moderate hydrolytic resistance. Type 2 regular soda lime glass is used for all solid dosage forms like tablet, powder and so on and oily injections. Type 4 NP general purpose soda lime glass is non-parenteral glass. Type NP general purpose soda lime glass is only used for oral and topical purpose. The glass is tested using various type of tests such as glass grain test, surface glass test for hydrolytic resistance to determine the glass type.